The container from JAHJAH Foundation is here with relief items. Good news, Jamaica. The container is here with the first shipment of supplies that will benefit quite a bit of Jamaican people with relief supply, courtesy of the JAHJAH Foundation. We are currently doing the off-site inspection, and so the truck is just putting itself together for this inspection.
Porter volunteer with the JAHJAH Foundation, and we have with us Dr. Trevor Dixon. We have seen the arrival of our first shipment container, or Melissa Relief container, coming to Jamaica, and it was cleared today, and so quite a number of residents in Jamaica will benefit from this shipment. I am happy and I'm ready and willing to give my service to make sure that, you know, Jamaicans who would have suffered greatly from this hurricane, you know, is in a better position as a result of the support. And I must commend and thank the sponsors that contributed to this relief, and I'm looking forward to continuing this partnership.
So Jermaine, this is about December 5th, so
yes.
we're about 1 month away. A lot of the brigades are gone, right? And now we're still here. So is there a need for what we're still doing here in Jamaica?
What happened with relief items, Dr. Dixon, is that it must be sustained and a prolonged procedure, because you don't want, you know, after, you know, the first set of support comes, you want it to be sustained, that Jamaicans don't feel like they are left behind in this situation.
So you think, timing is appropriate?
The timing is right, especially going into the Christmas season, when a lot of persons would have, you know, used this period as a means to really family and to enjoy a lot of that was taken away from them. So giving them the support at this time, it is well needed.
Well, Jermaine, I want to thank you. Of course, you know, we do our part. There's a lot of folks here doing their part.
Yes.
We're very, you know, very mindful that this is a marathon. It's not a sprint.
Right.
You know, Jamaicans are great sprinters, but this is going to require a marathon, and I think our time is appropriate. And there's more to come. We have more. You know, we've raised a lot of funds, and we'll make sure those people who invested in us, we can show them the proof of what we're doing. And you're proof that we know what we're here in Jamaica. Here in St. Elizabeth.
I, as a deputy inspector for the Poor Relief Department, approve strongly the JAHJAH Foundation and the works that they continue to do. And over a period of days, into weeks, into months, because this is a sustained partnership, you'll be seeing the rollout of the full JAHJAH team on the ground in the community.
So thank you, sir. Now, you don't know much about Westmoreland, but in St. Elizabeth,
yes.
When that container comes to St. Elizabeth, what name some of the communities that it will be serving?
So when the container comes, firstly, Black River, that was hardest hit, will be served. Communities of Slipe, Arlington, all over the southwest area will be greatly served by this. Understanding that many of these residents would have lost everything, you know, and JAHJAH team would have put together a lovely package. We will not say what, but I can tell you that the residents will really benefit from this support.
This is Jamaica, so we can't avoid the bike man them, right? The yang. So the yang them is here. So you know we're really in Jamaica because the yang them they bought the place, right?
Yes.
So thank you for supporting the JAHJAH Foundation, and thank you, my friend, for being a partner we can trust. You're our local champion.
Definitely.
We're proud to have you on board. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
One love. reporting live from Luana,
Yeah.
St. Elizabeth.
Action, no chatting.
December 5th,
Yeah.
2025. One love.
Blessing.
Yes. Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. Trevor Dixon with JAHJAH Foundation, and we are in Westmoreland here, in the town of McGrill, where we are placing a container in place with Hurricane Melissa relief supplies that will be distributed to the different communities in Westmoreland. We're talking places like Bird Savannah, Savlamar, Darliston, and Petersfield, and so many more communities. It's great work. Your donation dollars at work. You asked us to deliver for you through JAHJAH Foundation with Hurricane Relief, and we're here to show you that the donation dollars at work. This container will be placed on a footing. That's what we have the crane for. And as you can see, there's a lot more involved with sending donation stuff to Jamaica. And we have one of our partners here at the Travelers Hotel, where they run an educational program for children called MEET, and it's an educational program for children in the community's homework center. So this container will be used in that project to help to provide a place for children to do computer work and homework. So our containers are not just here for us, it's here for the community, and we're happy to be involved with Travelers and its NEET project for this endeavor. Thank you, JAHJAH Foundation.